Can I handle it? Wild Animal Racing is an exciting go-kart simulation game with a twist. Play as an elephant, a lion, a zebra, a giraffe, a rhino, or a hippo. Play against the other animals or against a friend on the same PC with split-screen mode, or invite Steam friends in the multiplayer mode. Psychological horror, racing, memes, sports. Boys, I think we're ready.
This is so long.
You don't have to read
All I know
it.
is that they're here.
Jesus Christ.
No, I want to read it, my dude.
You don't need...
All I know is that they're here. I've seen them with my eyes. I've seen their island and their homes from my helicopter in the skies. I've seen them race all around all day in a racetrack made from stone. I wish more people could see this. But I'm the only one. Here's where it gets great. So I brought them here to Europe. They've signed on the dotted line. Now people pay to see the race, and all the money is mine. You see, there's something more amazing than animals and cars, and that's the magic of contract law and drinking in bars.
Is that actually what it says?
Yeah.
This is a buggy, bad game. I loved it. Nice animals, nice textures. Kill me. It's got some good music. I like the sheep giraffe. Great. All jokes and memes aside, this is quite a fun game to pick up with a group of friends and have some laughs. Sure, it might feel like a literal acid overdose at points, but it's got its perks. It's not bad, I had a good laugh, but it isn't worth the current asking price. Pick it up on sale. Good thing we've got it on sale. From $6.99 down to $6.29. We are in for a bargain. I'm so fucked. Jesus Christ. Wow. I guess we should start things off with movies. Alright. How do I get out? How do I close the game? Okay, you press escape. There's no there's no menu to escape the game. You just have to press escape. Like, you have to crawl your way out of the jail cell that it keeps you in, and just smash escape until you get a prison break out of this game. Oh my god.
The music's so loud.
I know, and I can't change. Alright.
No, I pressed on something scary.
Alright, did you check the controls and everything?
No. Movies? There's movies?
I know, check the movies, dude. Check the movies there. Oh god. Alright, so are you ready for multiplayer? Look at the giraffe's face, dude. Like, look at his face.
Okay.
He looks like he's just on acid. He looks high as fuck, dude.
How do I turn it down?
I can't manage the volume, dude. I don't even know what to say. you ready for multiplayer? Just
No, I can't
add
hear
turn up the Skype sound and then turn down your game or like your overall volume. Right? Oh
Wait.
Jesus! You just jump right into the lobby. All right. So
What? I'm nowhere.
no, I don't want the zebra. I don't.
Dude, what are you doing? I'm not in your lobby.
I'm choosing a driver. Oh shit! Hold on, I'm gonna invite you. Okay?
Yeah, invite me. There we go.
All right. Start race.
There we
God.
go. Classic giraffe.
Yeah, classic giraffe.
Dude.
World tour, magical. I would really appreciate it if my giraffe stopped walking. Why? Why are there monuments in the background?
What the fuck?
What the-
Dude.
All right, let's go for
Dude.
a world tour.
Yeah. I was gonna say.
Oh, we're in Egypt.
I actually can't remember.
I don't remember the controls either. Just don't press escape or else. Oh, we're going. You can jump. Oh God.
Oh, so you're supposed
Oh
to
no! Wait,
avoid
there's
the
a throttle.
What is that?
I
Throttle.
can't control this very well. I'm in second place. First place! We're making plays. We're making plays. Come on. Was that you driving?
Yeah.
Go. Here we go.
Oh fuck.
We're cutting in. Oh yeah. Get wrecked.
You hit me off.
I'm gonna hit them all off course now.
Yo, why are you going through the item?
Fight me, elephant! I have spikes on my wheels.
Oh my
I have
god!
spikes on my wheels.
Yeah, you tore me up.
I got you?
Well, I spun out.
Yeah, elephant this time. You can't see his eyes.